If you use video lights such as this one here, more than likely you're using a power transformer like this. This is a great solution because you can have your lights on for an indefinite period of time. The problem is the manufacturer doesn't provide a way to secure this transformer from having the weight hang on this little connector on the back of the light, which can cause damage over time or if somebody trips on it. The solution that I've come up with is to use a Velcro strap. Now, in the past, I've used Velcro straps like this that are very tight, but recently I found these straps made by Trelancer, which are actually elastic. They have a grip strip on the inside and they work perfect for this use. All you need to do is take your transformer, set it on the light pole, make sure you have the grip side of the strap towards the transformer and the light itself. Pull it around, and since it's elastic, you can actually pull it fairly tight, and now it secures your transformer to the pole. I also have some other little straps that are nice for neatening up the installation. The nice thing about this is now you can move the lights around freely. You don't have to worry about the transformer putting stress on the inside of the light. And if somebody trips on it, it's going to pull the cord out of the bottom of the transformer. Or if you want to move the light around, you can quickly plug in the transformer and unplug it to make it work much easier for your needs. The other thing that I've found with these elastic straps is when you're transporting your lights, you can actually wrap your cord and transformer around it to make it a lot neater and easier to set up for your next video shoot. I'll put links in the description to these straps. Hopefully they work for your needs. I really do appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.